So what I'm going to show you today is how to make the wing mirrors on your Audi A3 or Audi S3, RS3 fold up automatically when you press the key fob. I think it's quite a cool little option to have ticked, especially if you want to protect the mirror casing and the mirror glass as well. I'm also going to be showing you how to instantly tell whether or not your vehicle can do this in the first place, so keep on watching to the end and I'll show you exactly where to find that. First, press the menu button on the center console and then using the rotary dial toggle round to the car section. At this point we will want the systems menu, which is in the bottom left hand corner, and to get to that we want to be pressing the bottom left hand corner button on that center pad. This will then take us to vehicle settings, so press down on the rotary dial. In the vehicle settings screen we want to be looking at central locking. And then on this screen, this is where you see the fold mirrors on central locking option, which you can toggle on and off. So now let's exit out of all that and let's give it a test. So I did mention earlier that this has to be an option on the actual vehicle itself. If you look at the picture on the screen now, I'll do a little close-up of it, and it needs to have this little option here of the electric folding. If it doesn't have that, then you won't have the option to fold the mirrors up on central lock and close. You will have to manually push the mirrors in yourself if this option isn't fitted to your mirrors.